Your body's not getting gone.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
No. What is called? Sticky thing.
It's from your popsicle.
I didn't eat my popsicle yet.
Yes, you did. You
No,
ate all of it. I promise you did.
No, I didn't. I didn't eat my popsicle. See, look, Rory.
Yeah, it's sticky. I see that.
It's not sticky. I didn't eat. This is zombie thing. I'm serious.
It's not a zombie thing.
Yes, it is. It's a zombie thing, and we take it off our hands. It's zombie. Yes, it is.
Ancient zombies are not real.
Oh my goodness. My hands are all zombies. See, look at that.
Your hand is not a zombie, I promise.
Mommy. Well, you see the scratch? It says zombie research.
It says zombie research?
Yes, of the movie that we watched yesterday.
How's that hand? He said you are not a zombie. Okay, I promise. Your hand is sticky from your popsicle.
I didn't eat it.
Yeah, look, here's your stick. Here's your popsicle stick. Told you.
What's the one? Somebody ate it.
You ate it.
I didn't eat it.
I promise.
You ate it.
No, I didn't.
I didn't.